Hello, welcome back. This is got another unboxing for you today. This is the Tritton Kama PlayStation 4 edition. This costs you around £20+, no more than 30 on Amazon. As you can see, it's for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation Vita, Wii U and mobile devices, not for Xbox, just in case you're wondering. There is an Xbox edition, but this is not that, so I own an Xbox One, but I will not be buying a headset for Xbox, unfortunately. So what you'll get when you open it first, move the knife out the way, is Tritton Kama, just some crap here. Now you don't really care too much for this, just quick stuff. Here we go, here's the actual headphones itself, of the box, the headphones, quite small in real life, nicely packaged though, the box is pretty cool. It's got, the mic's just got a protective cover on it. Not too long actually, I'd say. But yeah, quite nice looking things. Just in case you're wondering, you've got mic mute. You've got volume button on the other side. I believe this is for game. Not sure how you control chat yet, but yeah, just a mic mute, volume button. And then plugs into just a 3.5mm straight into the controller. Should be good to go. So that was the Tritton Kama unboxing. I will be posting a review in a couple of days, but thanks.